Good morning. Hope everybody having a wonderful Friday. You know, thank God it's Friday. I hear a lot of people say that because end of the work week, they've been busy all week and all, so hope it's doing good. Birthday today is Nobley Stephen. Happy birthday to you and all. So have a great day. Gave to me by a listener. We got some Relay for Life stuff coming up. You know, you can go on Alcovey Trestle and Friends, and there's a barcode, there's a QR code. Scan that with your phone and join our team. They're having a competition. Whoever hits the most people to join wins a new banner. Jared wants us to win a banner, so everybody, if you want to be a part of Alcovey Trestle and Friends, you know, you don't have to live here. You be part, you support us. That's all it's about, because, you know, we love to get people signed up, because that was one thing Sarah always dreamed of, to have everybody signed up on the team. A lot of times you couldn't get them to do it and everything, and so we didn't look like we had a lot of members, but we had a lot of support. So go on there, hit that QR code, fill out your name, and hell, if you want to, donate to us. You know, put a little bit of money on your name. That way it won't be zero. It looks good. And all. Or put it under Sarah's name, because I'd love to have Sarah have all of it on there. You know, she was a big believer. So, got retired teacher coming up in October. Don't forget that. They're going to be talking about insurance and all. So, tomorrow, Doug's going to be selling mums over in Monroe. If you love mums, you need to come see them, because they are gorgeous. You know, and you can plant them in the ground, and most likely, if you take care of them and water them, they'll be back next fall, and you can enjoy them twice. Almost 2-for-1 deal. So everybody have a wonderful weekend. You know, I'm glad it's home. You know, trying to get back into a normal routine and everything. I'm doing better, hanging in there. Miss her a lot. Trying to stay busy. But go join our team. Hit that darn QR code, because we got Santa and all coming up. So we need all your help and all your support. Everybody have a wonderful Friday and be safe. Hey, Miss Lil.